Hey there! Today, I'm diving into a topic that's transforming the business world at lightning speed: artificial intelligence and machine learning. You might have heard these buzzwords thrown around, but what do they really mean? And more importantly, how are they changing business operations? First off, let's break down the basics. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to machines mimicking human intelligence. Think of it as teaching computers to think and make decisions just like humans do. Machine learning, on the other hand, is a subset of AI. It's all about feeding data into machines and letting them learn and improve from it. Imagine teaching a child to recognize animals. You show them pictures of dogs and cats, and they eventually learn to tell them apart. That's basically what machine learning does, but on a massive scale. Now, why is this so groundbreaking for businesses? Well, AI and machine learning are helping companies streamline operations, cut costs, and make smarter decisions faster. Let's talk about a few real-world examples. Customer service is a big one. Have you ever chatted with a company's customer service and realized you were talking to a bot? That's AI in action. These chatbots can handle a ton of inquiries, freeing up human agents to tackle more complex issues. It's efficient and cost-effective. Next up, data analysis. Businesses today are swimming in data, but making sense of it all can be overwhelming. This is where machine learning comes in. Algorithms can sift through mountains of data, identify patterns, and provide insights that humans might miss. This means better market predictions, improved product recommendations, and even detecting fraud before it happens. But it's not just about data and customer service. AI is revolutionizing supply chains too. Predictive analytics can forecast demand, so companies know exactly how much product to stock. No more overproduction or stockouts. Plus, AI can optimize delivery routes, saving time and fuel. Imagine a world where your online orders arrive faster and cheaper. That's the power of AI. Okay, let's switch gears for a moment. Security is another area where AI is making waves. With cyber threats on the rise, companies need robust defenses. AI-driven security systems can detect and respond to threats in real time, much faster than any human could. This means safer data and peace of mind for businesses and their customers. Now, some of you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but what about the job? It's a valid concern. AI and machine learning are indeed changing the job landscape. Some roles may become obsolete, but new opportunities are also emerging. Think about it. Someone has to develop, maintain, and improve these AI systems. Plus, as businesses grow more efficient, they'll likely expand and create new roles. It's a shifting landscape, but not necessarily a shrinking one. So what's the takeaway here? AI and machine learning are no longer just futuristic concepts. They're here, and they're transforming how businesses operate. From customer service to data analysis, supply chains to security, these technologies are creating smarter, more efficient, and more responsive companies. And this is just the beginning. The potential for AI and machine learning to innovate and improve our world is limitless. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you next time.